Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week and hope you were able to capitalize on the market move. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold and Euro USD, and I'll be starting up with gold from the weekly time frame. And as you can see, and as I've described the previous weeks, the price has from this fake out and closed below this trend line and made this down move as well. And when price got towards the 1782 level, there was this sort of rejection back to the upside. And if we go to the daily time frame, yeah, we can see that this trend line that we plotted earlier, the price was able to break below this trend line, and there were certain levels that I was looking at to capitalize on, which is around this 1811 or 1810 level, and around the 1796 level as well. Um, and I knew price was going to break this trend line to the downside just because of these wicks and these rejections that keep forming around this area, and price eventually make that move to the downside. Now, if we go to the 4 hourly time frame where we normally take our entry, you can see that it wasn't a smooth move to the downside. However, we're still able to capitalize on the down move when price finally broke below this um, trend line. We're able to take our entry on the retest here all the way down to this level, and I hope you all were able to capitalize on that move as well. Now, what is happening is price has bounced from this 1762 level and is heading back to the upside. Now, whether or not price will continue all the way up or whether price will still bounce from around this area here, around the 1796 level back down, we'll have to watch and see. Um, but for me, I wouldn't be taking any buy trades on gold just as yet. I'll be waiting for a break of this level here, around the 1810 level, which has been tested several times, as you can see here. So it's a key area that will either hold or eventually break in future. Okay, so you can see that the area has been tested 3 times already, and it looks like price is heading towards that area. Also, what we can do is we can plot this channel, as you would see shortly, that price is forming, or price has formed this descending channel. And if you look at it, price making got here from this lower um low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now price has bounced just around the lower border of the channel as well as this support level here, and is now heading towards the upside. So what we're waiting for is for price to react to this 1796 level, which also coincides with the top of this channel. So if there is a break of this area here, right, then we should be expecting a major reaction here. So this major reaction could mean a bounce back down all the way to the downside here, which will mean that whatever reaction is happening here, okay, that price is just reacting to this resistance level, which has tested 3 times previously. And this move up here and all the way back down into this channel is basically a fake out, which we know can happen with gold as well. So what we will be doing is, like I said, not taking any buy trades unless this area here is broken to the upside. Then I will encourage you to buy gold if you're buying in the long run. So until this area is broken and possibly a retest and price gives us a buy signal on the retest, then we'll take our buy trades to the top. All right. However, if price gets to this level here, or this level here and gives us a bearish reversal pattern, then we'll be looking to sell our trades all the way to the downside. Okay. And but for now, I am still bearish on gold because it's just giving us a very strong move. And if we go back to the weekly time frame, we can see that price closed below the trend line over here. So which could mean that price will just continue all the way down. So we need to be very careful and not buy this trade unless price has broken above this level here or above the trend line, and then we'll be looking to buy and continue to move to the upside. Otherwise, our buyers should always be bearish and expecting price to probably get all the way to the 1670 level over here. So this has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I hope it's been very helpful to you. Next, I will be talking about my analysis for Euro USD. So for Euro USD, starting from the weekly time frame, we can see that price got down to this support level here around the 1.12 level, and rejected in the past week upwards. So I was expecting for a continuation to the upside this past week, but last week price was just ranging, and eventually the weekly candle closed as a doji candle. If we move to the daily time frame, we can see that price was ranging between the 1.138 level and the 1.126 level, which has become like a key area for me, an area that I'll be looking out for major price reactions in the upcoming week. If you go down to the 4 hour time frame, yeah, we can see that price has rejected off this 1.126 level about 3 times. So that area becomes very key for us. You can see this one rejection here, and there's this very quick rejection of that level as well. And the third one is off this level as well. Okay. So we've had like 3 rejections, and price is now heading towards the next resistance level, which has also been rejected. You can see one, yeah, two over here, and the third time over there. So these are areas that we're looking out for, and in the upcoming week, I'm expecting price to get all the way to this level here, and this is where I'll be looking for a major price reaction. So again, in the upcoming week, 2 things can happen: either price gets up to this level here, okay, breaks it, maybe retest it a bit, and then continues all the way to the upside up to this trend line and resistance level around the 1.155 level, or price could get there and reject this level all the way to the downside, either back down to the 1.126 level or all the way back down to the 1.12 level. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at for the upcoming week. So this area here is very key for us. And like I mentioned earlier, another key area is this 1.126 level, where price could probably not get all the way up here, but reject and come all the way down again to test this level around the 1.126 level before either bouncing to the upside or breaking it down to the downside. Okay, so again, just like I said, this area becomes a key area for us. All right, so at the moment when market opens, I am not going to rush into taking any trades. I'm going to wait for price to get to this level up here, or to get to this level down here, depending on how price starts to move. And then I'll look for price reaction around that two key areas. And so all we need to do is to be patient with Euro USD and wait for price to get to these two key points here, and that would give us an indication of what to do. Okay. If you're a day trader as well and you're not that patient to wait for price to get there, you can always draw this trend line down here. As you can see, go to a smaller time frame like the 1 hour time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. And if you go to these smaller time frames, you can see what you can wait for is a break above this trend line here. You can see that it's been a bounce 1, 2, 3, 4. So either you wait for a break above it here on a retest, okay, then before taking your trade all the way to this level where we're expecting to see some price reactions, or you can wait for price or price could get up to this level here again, touch it, and just bounce off to the downside back to this level. And as a swing trader, we'll be looking to react here, and we'll be looking to react here. But if you're a day trader, you can react off this trend line on the 15 minutes time frame or the 1 hour time frame. So this has been my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. Again, in summary, just looking at these key areas and seeing how price reacts to them. And if you're a day trader, then you can just wait for the breakout of this trend line here, and you can capitalize on the move to the upside, or you can wait for a reversal pattern and capitalize the down move, move to the downside as well. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all your support so far, and just want to wish you all the best in the upcoming week, and I wish you a profitable week and a great week in general. See you in the next analysis video. Peace.